then. Brought my kids. My wife doing some volunteer work.
Come on.
Yeah, what did they say?
And they say if I give a course, like 150.
Yeah.
And if I do, they're like 120.
Wow. You hear it, huh? Tack, tack.
That's the starter.
Okay, try fan. Okay, one more time.
When it first happened, I was at my car, my work garage.
Yeah. Okay, turn it off. Turn it off first. Oh, it's okay. Turn it off.
When I was at my parking garage, it took
Yeah.
me like 10 times to get it home.
Okay. Maybe it's corroded? You know what? Let me clean this first. Right here. See this area? This one. This is the cable.
On call.
On call? And I think. This. Got acid in my dude, like really bad gut with batteries. Dude, man. It's 13, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Take care of the car. That's Toyota.
You
I don't know.
change it?
Itemized. We change.
I don't know. I said
If it's one click, then we'll change the starter. Yeah. Alright, let's do that.
Oh, see?
Okay, do it again. Yeah, it's the starter. Alright, we'll change it. Connection there. It's all good. The starter's down here. Yeah, I could see it.
I process like I'm another site.
And
We all work in different departments. I wish I know this.
yeah.
So the more
Oh, okay.
have like a door knocking or a doorbell.
Oh, okay.
The fee is not 250. The fee is a percentage of the registration. So if you have a piece of crap car, like it's an old vehicle that they put in like $50,
Yeah.
they see what's all the vehicle.
Oh, wow, okay.
But if you have like a, $80, I just fill out that form.
No problem there then. Now, let's see what's up. I don't talk a lot. I just show what I do, and
You
if
don't explain what you're doing?
no need. You just do what I'm doing. 13.
You don't mind waiting like 3 months, 4 months. This one just selling here and there. The guy I follow, he started and he didn't do any April and May for 2 months because it's like making like 7.
Yeah.
Then you get 10%.
tight it is. If I had a lift, man, yeah. Oh, be done already. Okay, there we go.
So you gotta find
Oh,
a
there
way.
you go. Yes, I made it loose.
You're trying to find a six. Yeah, so
Where's Dan? Huh? Where's Dan? Oh man, look at that. Phew. Ouch. That one right there, 13.
I asked them what channel they like. They said channel.
All right. Oh, shit. Nope. All right. Oh, yes.
You see it? There, you got it.
Dang it. Just a connector. They resurfaced it.
How do you feel about like warranty? Would it, if I admire, if I can maintain it and it's not a money pit because I actually haven't spent money yet.
No, it's good if you talk to someone. There we go.
So that's it right there?
Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, man. Oh, there. Oh, there's roll. See this? It broke off. You can't do anything about it. It's plastic. When I had to press down and then come out.
Like a
It's dead, dude. Bring it. Make them test it. So what? What did they say?
Well, he tested the old one.
Yeah.
It didn't spin.
Yeah.
And then he tested this one and it broke.
Nice.
Right time.
Cool.
One is perfect.
Come on. It's tight. Shoot. Shoot. I don't even know where to go. What is it? Diesel? Yeah, some of them. And start. I mean, okay, shoot, start it up. Yeah! Woo! Turn it off. There you go, man. It's the starter. What do you have now? Get inside. Okay, thank you for the food. Hey, man. Lit. Thanks for calling me. I'll let you know. I'll text you, huh? You guys okay?
This guy's constipated. He said, oh, gee.